multi-plant and multi-location organizations can modernize accounts payable without the cost, risk, or disruption of an ERP replacement. Many manufacturers and distributed enterprises operate with a single ERP but highly decentralized AP processes. Invoices arrive at different plants in different formats, approvals vary by location, and visibility across sites is limited. This fragmentation leads to inconsistent controls, slow approvals, manual workarounds, and difficulty enforcing standard policies. Medius explains that replacing the ERP is often unnecessary and impractical. Instead, AP automation sits on top of existing ERP systems, providing a centralized layer that standardizes invoice capture, workflows, and approvals across all plants while leaving the core ERP untouched. With automation, invoices from every location are digitized and routed through consistent, rules-based workflows. Controllers gain real-time visibility into invoice status, liabilities, and bottlenecks across the entire organization, rather than relying on spreadsheets or local reporting. Approval timelines become predictable, and exceptions are easier to manage. The blog also highlights how automation reduces reliance on local knowledge and manual processes. Standardized controls improve compliance and audit readiness, while ERP integration ensures clean, accurate data flows into the financial system without duplicate entry. Ultimately, Medius positions AP automation as a practical way for controllers to bring order and consistency to complex multi-plant environments. By streamlining AP without replacing the ERP, organizations reduce risk, improve efficiency, and give finance leaders the control and visibility they need to scale with confidence.